Welcome inside the snake leather factory.
Material care starts at the source. Every step ensures quality standards.
Precision checks maintain optimal quality.
Safe, guided movement through process. Advanced systems protect each unit. Automated systems guide materials efficiently.
Sorting ensures quality without waste.
Automation manages material flow precisely.
Careful transfer into treatment units.
Initial preparation ensures readiness for processing. Refined extraction ensures safety and cleanliness. Deep cleaning removes residual impurities. Sterile handling ensures hygiene. Drying and softening prepare material for further treatment. Primary treatment strengthens material structure. Precision systems maintain consistent treatment.
Continuous inspection ensures uniform standards.
Drying chambers finalize internal bonding. Thickness control ensures premium grade. Splitting guarantees consistent layers. Softening enhances flexibility evenly.
Inspection guarantees flawless surface quality.
Spray booths color with precision. Embossed textures elevate design appeal. Finishing adds luxury appeal. Drying ensures final tone and texture. Laser cutters shape perfect patterns. Stitching completes durable construction.
Brand detailing adds identity.
Craftsmen finalize each item. Durability testing ensures long-lasting products.
Packaging protects every piece.
Loading begins for global distribution.